going very bad very quickly.
Be nice to him.
Kids have fallen in.
I know.
Quite a few.
Hi, team.
Oh, wow.
We're in London, 2017, Hyde Park. Just looking at the fowl. Trying to keep the boys away from the water. And I got daddy duty with the stroller. Very nice, big park place. Whoa, that's a big one, huh?
Because they're so used to getting food.
Push this for a second, please.
Look how fat that one is.
Yeah, those are pigeons, Brennan. You see the pigeons?
Yes.
They've been feeding them really well, haven't they? Ah!
Big pigeon. And he's not like...
Bryce, be nice.
Hi. Hi.
Oh, look at the swans up here. Look at the big white swans.
Wow. Oh, look at that one. Oh, that's so cool. Yeah.
That is pretty cool.
Oh gosh.
What?
Those are a lot of birds. Oh.
That's a swan. That's a big swan.
That's a female.
I don't even know.
Now that's a swan right there.
Uh-huh.
Hi. Mom, look.
Bryce, sing me a swan song. Sing. Oh my gosh. What do you think, Brennan? Tell the camera what you think about the swans.
Nothing.
Nothing. Okay.
That's cool. Hi.
Sing me a song, a swan song. Sing me a swan song.
What's a swan song?
Hi.
Bren, be nice. They're trying to feed them.
Hi.
Whoa! Okay, dude, let's go. Come on. All right, Bryce, let's go, buddy.
Where are we going now? I get so close to that. Look at that one.
Yeah, London's pretty cool.
Mommy.
So far, so good. We just got here today. Wow, he's loud. Brendan's having a good time. Watch out. Watch where you're going. Okay. I think that's enough for now.